Whether you're looking to make some fast cash or you're after long-term, more sustainable income-producing results, there are certainly ways you can make money online today. The truth is that making money online isn't as difficult as most make it out to seem. It does require some discipline though. However, if you're looking for realistic ways you can start earning money online now, then it really, truly does boil down to 7 paths you can take towards profit. Some will provide you with immediate results, helping you to address your basic monthly necessities such as rent, utilities, and groceries, while others have the potential to transform your life by revolutionizing your finances in the long term. Here are a few online platforms, websites, and resources that can help you earn money online. The whole world is suffering from a pandemic, and there is no better thing than staying home with the family and working online. Here we have the best ways how you can earn money online. If there's a niche you're interested in and you can build a decent audience around it, starting a blog and using affiliate marketing to generate income is an incredible way to make money online. I know firsthand that learning to start a blog, let alone making money from it, can be a massive undertaking. The good news though is that it doesn't cost much to blog these days, with around $65 a year for the basic costs. In addition to signing up for individual affiliate programs, you can also sign up for an affiliate ad network that offers a ton of different affiliates in one place. That way, you can see what works and what doesn't work over time. Apart from that, there is Google AdSense as well. If you've visited any website, you've seen these Google ads. These ads are everywhere and for a good reason. Not only are they easy to set up on any basic website, but they can be lucrative once your website starts bringing in a steady amount of traffic. One of the cool things about Google AdSense is that it's so easy to set it up. If you have a blog or a website, you can sign up for a free Google AdSense account. From there, Google will give you a unique code that you will paste onto your website, and then Google takes it from there, tracking your page views, traffic, and earnings on your behalf. There is no upkeep or maintenance to get this thing going, which makes it a no-brainer if you have a website already. Freelancing has always been a popular way to earn money online, and the internet has several options. There are various websites offering freelance tasks for people with different skills. All you need to do is to create an account, browse through the listings, and apply for the task that suits you. Some websites may even require you to create a personal listing with the details of your skill set so that interested clients can contact you directly. Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and Guru.com are some of these websites that provide freelance jobs. But remember, you will only get paid once you successfully complete the given task and it has been approved by your client. This may even mean revising the work several times until the requirements of your clients are met. Some sites may ask you to set up a PayPal account, as most clients prefer to make payments through it. There are various websites offering money to undergo online surveys, carry out online searches, and write reviews on products. To get the credit, one needs to disclose certain information to them, including one's banking details. This is why this method must be used with utmost care. Some of them may even ask you to register with them before working on projects. The most important thing to watch out in such projects is to stay away from websites offering money that appears too good to be true. Also, be careful while evaluating the reputation of the website, as many of them could be a scam. Most sites promote businesses showing copies of check payments which may have been given to the middlemen only. Doing all the corporate stuff from one's home is what a virtual assistant or VA does. Basically, VAs work remotely with their clients and manage the aspects of their business that they are too busy to handle themselves. When you work as a virtual assistant, you can choose to work as an employee or you can set up your own business. VAs are skilled, home-based professionals that offer companies, businesses, and entrepreneurs administrative support. Some of the major areas of work include making phone calls, email correspondence, internet research, data entry, editing, writing, bookkeeping, and so on. Becoming a VA may require some degree of training or briefing depending on your qualifications. However, if you possess good communication skills and are capable of using applications like MS Office, you can just sign up on sites such as elance.com, Assistant Match, EA Help, Freelancer, and so many others. Knowing a language other than English may even help you earn some extra dinero, which is money in Spanish. There are several websites that offer translation projects that require translating a document from one language into another. This may include Spanish, French, Arabic, German, or any other language to or from English. For many, this can make the task rather time-consuming, and therefore, they hire translators available online from anywhere across the globe. Several websites such as freelancer.in, fiverr.com, or upwork.com offer you a platform to be a professional translator. Those who do not have the knowledge or the time to complete their projects on their own put up their work on these platforms where you can register and start bidding on translation jobs. If you are an expert in a particular subject, you can earn by tutoring people online. Online tutoring provides a means to connect online with students of all ages across the country to provide homework help and tutoring them in subjects for which you have demonstrated expertise. One may sign up on websites like Vedantu.com, MyPrivateTutor.com, or TutorIndia.net as an online tutor by creating a profile. You then list the subjects or classes you want to teach, how much experience you have, what your qualifications are, etc. Some of the platforms may offer flexible and convenient time to work as an online tutor. Most platforms follow this process. They ask you to apply by filling a simple form, after which a teaching demo will have to be given in front of their experts. Once selected, documentation and profile creation will be done, followed by training and induction webinar. Once you attend the webinar, you will be listed as a teacher and will get your online sessions to conduct. In addition to interacting with friends and strangers, social networking platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat can also be used to make money. Companies and brands pay social media strategists to further boost the popularity of their products. With lots of competition around and the constantly shortening of attention time of online viewers, creativity is essential to create posts, videos, etc. that can go viral quickly and enhance the brand value. Remember, social media needs dedicated time and energy to stay relevant. Hence, you need to share posts regularly and interact with your followers on a regular basis. You might be using YouTube just to kill your time, but there's more to it than just that. If you're not comfortable in penning down your thoughts through blogs and content writing, make use of your camera to create a video presentation. Create your YouTube channel, upload videos, and start monetizing them. Choose a category or subject that you want to make videos on and get started. But do make sure it's a topic that will interest a lot of people. Everything from cooking shows to political debates can find many takers on YouTube. So what are you waiting for? You have to create a YouTube channel which works on a similar model as a blog. As you make your channel popular and the number of subscribers grows, so will your earning potential. The payment one gets is based on every 1,000 views. Although this line of work is seriously threatened by automation, there are still plenty of data entry jobs available. It is one of the simplest jobs you can do online and requires next to no special skills. You just need to have a computer, internet connection, fast typing skills, and the ability to pay attention to details. Most freelancing websites list these jobs, and you can sign up on any one of them to start earning some decent income. If writing books is your game, one option you can exercise is self-publish ebooks and paperbacks with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. Publishing takes less than 5 minutes and your book appears on Kindle stores worldwide within 24 to 48 hours. One can earn up to 70% royalty on sales to customers in the US, Canada, UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, and so on. One can keep control of one's rights and set their own list prices, as well as make changes to one's books at any time. BooksFundR and Publishing.com are two other places to get your book published and earn money. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click the bell icon.